Have you ever wondered how fast you could build a real working app with just your ideas and natural language? Welcome to TechGuardian Academy Episode 3, where today we're building your very first project with Claude Code, from zero to a working app, step by step. Let's quickly recap what we've learned so far. In Episode 1, we introduced Claude Code, the groundbreaking AI coding tool. In Episode 2, we showed you how to get it up and running on your favorite platform in just 5 minutes. Now, it's time to get hands-on and see what Claude Code can really do. To start, let's open Claude Code and select New Project. You can do this with a click or simply type out your intention. Start a new to-do list app in Python. Notice how you don't need to know any complex commands. Just describe what you want. Claude Code instantly generates the project scaffold and the main Python file with well-commented code. Let's take a closer look at what the AI has created. You'll see the code is readable and logically structured, with each function doing exactly what you'd expect, adding tasks, listing them, and marking them as complete. But what if you want to tweak something? Let's say you want to add a due date for each task. All you have to do is tell Claude Code, add a due date field to each to-do item, and display it in the list. Watch as Claude Code updates the code, adds explanatory comments, and even suggests how to test the new feature. This is where the iterative workflow shines. You describe your changes, review the updated code, and keep refining your app. Next, let's test our app. Claude Code provides an integrated terminal, so you can run your Python script with a click or by saying, "Run the app." As you use the app, maybe you notice a small bug or want to improve the display. Just describe your fix or enhancement, and Claude Code handles the rest, updating the code and explaining what changed. This cycle, describe, generate, review, modify, and test, is what makes building with Claude Code so accessible and powerful. You don't just write code, you collaborate with AI to shape your project in real time. For more details, check out the Claude Code documentation at claude.ai/code. Subscribe and hit the bell for the next episode.